Diseases. A disease is a particular abnormal condition that negatively affects the structure or function of all of all or part of an organism, and that is not immediately due to any external injury. Diseases are often to be medical conditions that are associated with specific signs and symptoms. A disease may be caused by external factors such as pathogens or by internal dysfunctions. For example, internal dysfunctions are the immune system can be produce a variety of different diseases including various forms of immunodeficiency, hypersensitivity, allergies, and autoimmune disorders. In humans, disease is often used more broadly to refers to any condition that causes pain, dysfunction, distress, social problems, or death to the person afflicted, or similar problems for those in contact with the person. In this broader sense, it sometimes includes injuries, disabilities, disorders, syndromes, infections, isolated symptoms, deviant behavior, and atypical variations of structure and functions, while in other constant and for other purposes these may be considered distinguishable categories. Disease can affect people not only physically but also mentally, as contracting and living with the disease can alter the affected person's perspective on life. Death due to disease is called death by natural cause. There are four main types of diseases: infectious diseases, deficiency diseases, hereditary diseases, including both of genetic diseases and non-genetic hereditary disease, and physiological disease. Disease can also be classified in other ways, such as communicable versus non-communicable diseases. The deadliest disease in human are coronary artery disease, blood flow obstruction, followed by cerebrovascular disease and lower respiratory infection. In developed countries, the disease can use the most sickness overall are neuropsychiatric conditions such as depression and anxiety. The study of disease is called pathology, which includes the study etiology or cause. Terminology: in many cases, terms such as disease, disorders, morbidity, sickness, and illness are used interchangeably. However, there are situations when specific terms are considered preferable. Disease: the term disease broadly refers to any condition that impair the normal functioning of body. For the reason disease are associated with the dysfunction of the body normal homeostatic processes. Commonly, the term is used to refer specifically in infectious disease which are clinically evident disease which clinically